Hello and welcome to another episode of Bike Budgie. Nice to see you, I hope you're well. Right, today me and Ali are going along the River Thames in Berkshire. No, sorry, Oxfordshire. And we are going to do a bit of a cook up on the riverbank. Right, today me and Harley are going from Southstoke on the River Thames all the way up to Wallingford stroke Shillingford, depends how far we get. We're going to try and do a bit of a, pull in somewhere nice and quiet. We've got the camp stove with us, we've got some pasta and some hot dogs. We're going to try and cook them up and yeah, just have a nice, this is the hottest day of the year so far, supposedly, so we just want to go up the river and just chill for the day on the river. It's calm, quiet, we can relax, it's just, yeah. So Harley's off on school holidays and I've had a freak day off in the week and I said let's go, so that's what we're doing. Turn you around, show you where we're going. There we go. Ali, tell him what you did on Sunday, the day after we went out on the boat, the last video we did. Tell him what you did.
What, the crash?
Huh?
What, the crash?
On your push bike.
Oh,
have to be quick.
So I was doing these jumps, there was about 4 foot gap, and then I've come off and landed on these 2 roots and I've really hurt my arm. And I can't move my arm.
So he's injured himself. Anyway, we're going to punch it up here a little bit. Obviously it's the river, we can't go too fast. There might be some little quiet sections where we can open her up a little bit, but we're not going to be able to do too much. Little boat shop there, look. Little foundry shop. Gifts, boat engine spares, that's handy to know. So yeah, it's the school holidays. Father and Sunday out. Right, there's a rope swing there. Normally Harley has a little swing on there, but today, because he's hurt himself, we won't be able to do it. Hang on, I'm drifting here. Let's just... There we go, there's the rope swing. You normally go on there, don't you, Harley? There it is. Can't go on it today, hurt your arm. Maybe you'll go more careful on your bike next time. Right, we can punch it a bit. Just a little. Yeah. Yeah, go right on the sea and that. I've been to the Isle of Wight on this. I've been to the Isle of Wight on this.
Really?
Yeah. It's quick. Well, it's alright. Yeah. Yeah, it goes well, but you have to behave on here, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Well, pick the best day, didn't we? Pick the best day. Oh yeah. You picked a good week. See you later.
You know him?
Yeah, Lee, you should work with him. That looks like hard work. I think I'll stick to this. Nice boathouse. I don't know. Yeah, I think someone lives there. I think somebody lives there. Ali, look.
Oh yeah.
Look at them. Just eating the bushes.
Do you reckon any of them would have fallen in?
Don't know.
They look like they're having fun there.
Yeah. There's a few of them there.
9 of them.
9?
Yeah, I think.
Hey! Out of the way, Mr. Duck! Mr. Mallard! There's some lovely houses here, isn't there, Ali?
Yeah.
Look at that. Let's go in a bit closer. Look at that, looks like a film set,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Cool, imagine living there and having this in your back garden.
Have the boat docked up.
Oh, it'd be lovely, wouldn't it? That is perfect. Anyway, the Wallingford Bridge is just up there. We're going to get up there in a minute. We're just coming up to Wallingford Bridge now. Any of you that live in the area will know Wallingford and know the bridge. There's a little like beachy bit up here and we've got some kids swimming. When we get up there I'll show you. It looks quite busy. Summer holidays, isn't it? Kids holidays.
Look, duckies over there.
There's some swans. Wallingford Bridge. The Boathouse pub. The narrow boat. Some more swimmers up here, are they?
Keep climbing in trees.
Go on, boy! That looks like hard work, that thing. Especially when you're the only one rowing. Right, I'm trying to be quiet. Oh, he's going, look, see the stalk? Oh, I was trying to film him for you. He's flown off. Oh, gutted. But, put my hat back on. There we go. We've got a cow up here. He's a big boy, look. Size of him. We've stopped a minute and we're just going to show you the weir. I can't go too close because it looks a bit dangerous in the boat, but I'm going to go over there a little bit and try and see if I can get a closer up shot, because I don't think you'll see it very well from here. But let me turn you around and I'll put you on my head and I'll drive over there a bit. Hold on. You got it? Turn him off. Something floated. There we go, there's the weir. And just to the other side of me there, we got the lock. I've got to keep an eye on the dog to make sure that she don't fall in. Because she ain't got a life jacket on, have you? You ain't got a life jacket on, no. Don't go near the edge. Well, there we go, there's the weir. There's my boat in all this glory.
In all this glory.
Ow, stinging little.
Oh.
I don't believe him. He's lost his shoe again. He keeps losing shoes in the water. He'll have to be banned from wearing them. There it is, look.
Yeah, well.
Floating along quickly before it gets up to the weir. Hold the camera. Don't drop it.
Where is it? There. Come on. Yes.
One shoe.
Fine.
Don't lose it again. Here. Right. We can continue now. I would interrupt that last bit because he dropped his shoe in the water.
Not funny.
That's the second time you've lost your shoe in the water.
Yeah.
Right, I think what we're going to do, we're going to get back in the boat, we're going to go back down the river, we're going to find somewhere nice to stop, and we're going to have a little cook up, I reckon. See you in a bit. We're going to punch it back down the river.
Punch it, Chad.
And then we're going to find somewhere to eat. We'll park up, get something to eat. Someone else has lost their shoe there, look.
That shoe.
That's the sole of a shoe. How's your dog? Is she getting hot? She'll be alright. She's got her water down there, she'll be alright. Easy. Right, we can't find at the moment to pull over and have something to eat, but I think what we're going to do is going to go back down to where we put the boat in and then go back past it. The other side, I think there's a nice little jetty that we can pull up on, have our little feed, have our little cook up. Well, we found the spot, not the spot, where we stopped before, last time we had a little lunch here, there was a floating mooring. Sorry.
Quite nice.
Looks like they've got rid of it, so we went right down quite far, couldn't find it, so we found this one, and we're going to have a little something to eat here. Ali's just getting out all the stove. There we go.
Yes.
Right, so we got to do, you got to lift this little flap up, you got to squeeze that together, that up there.
Beautiful.
Like that. Put the gas bottle in so that you got to lift that flap up.
Yep.
Hang on, you got to lift the flap up, put it in there. Right, you got to line that up there. That's it. Let go of the flap. Right, now close it up. Now you got to press that down. That's it. And now the gas is on.
So when I...
No, not yet. We're not cooking yet. We're not cooking yet. Hold on. We've got to get everything prepared. Right. What we're going to have first then, we'll do the hot dogs. So just pour all the hot dogs. We've got some hot dogs.
Oh no!
Oh, you are tit. That's it. Pour them all in. Go on, all of them. Go on, one by one.
Should come out now.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh!
Right, try and put them down in the water.
What, so they're like sat in there?
Yeah, that's not water, that's brine, and you've just got it all over your fingers.
What's brine?
Brine, it's brine. Brine is brine.
What's bribe?
Well, I think we need a bit more water. When it's cooked.
Can I eat it now?
Yeah. Bit more water. That should do. Otherwise it'll take too long to boil. Right, so what you got to do to light it, take it off so you can see if it lights or not. That's it. Right, so you've got to lock it down there. Turn it round all the way and click it. All the way. Turn it all the way round. Keep going. That's it. Back again and click again.
I see flames.
No.
I see flames.
Is it a light?
Yeah, I see them.
Oh yeah, it's a light. That's it then.
See the flames around
Is
the
it
edge?
on?
Yeah, see the flames around the edge. Can't you see them?
Oh yeah, that's on. You can't see the flames, but that is on. Believe it or not. There we go then. Put him on, he'll start cooking away. Just have to wait for them little bad boys to warm up.
Bad boy?
You can't see the flame, can you?
No, not at all.
It's definitely on though. Is it on full power?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was full power.
Let's have a look.
Maybe the more you click it, the bigger the flame gets.
No, that's it. That's a light.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, she's a light. There we go. Right, let's get him a sausage out.
I accidentally sat on them in the boat.
There you go. You're gonna have to break it in half. You ready?
Yeah. Yeet.
Get it off then. Pull it. That's it. You want two in there, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go.
They look good.
Sauce is in the bag.
Hot. We use this little table thing.
Yeah, go on then.
Get a bit of ketchup.
Put my one in. Yeah.
Get a little bit of ketchup.
There we go. Ow, it burnt my leg.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it is hot. There we go. Just put me sauce in, that'll do me. Right, better turn that off. Right. There we go, that's off.
Right, then
Good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nothing exotic. It's not like we've gone for a swim, caught a fish and eating it like Rocket and Youngbloods. But there we go, hot dog roll, that'll do me. living the dream. Oh yeah, that'll do, yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Could have put some onions in, that would have made it perfect. Look at him. Going all down himself. Supposed to eat it.
I am, it's spelling.
Right, the next thing on the menu, if you move them rolls, Ali, we got ham and cheese pasta. We're going to chuck them in there in a minute and cook them up. We're going to make ourselves a little coffee.
Oh, I forgot my coffee cup.
Oh no, he's got his coffee cup. I'll have to share mine then. Right, we're going to eat this and then we'll make the pasta.
Give me. Look, sausage.
Come on, here.
Hey, look.
I'll get it.
Oh, is that good?
Oh. Ah. Put some water in them. I'm going to heat up the next bit of water. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're going mad, right. Just so gentle, like that. That should be enough. We still got to make our coffees yet.
Oh, yeah.
Right, let's turn it back on. Is that on?
Yep.
Yes, we got fire. Yeah, it's burning. We've got to warm that up then. Once it's warmed up, we drop the pardon me. Them sausages. Once it's warmed up, we can drop the pasta in. And then that'll be good to go.
That's quite nice.
Yeah, cheese and ham, lovely, that'll do me. So we'll give that a couple of minutes just to boil up. These little camping cookers are great. 10 quid. I think I paid 10 quid. No, I think it was £19.90 something. And you get 3 of the gas bottles with it. These gas bottles. You get 3 of those with it.
Today.
Yeah, what I done, I actually come out of the house, hang on. I come out of the house today with all the food, all the camping stuff.
All the boat.
I got all the way to pick Harley up and I realised I'd left the gas bottles at home.
And it's about 8 miles.
Yeah, I would have had to drive 8 miles back home to get the another gas bottle. We managed to find one at Goring hardware store, so we've got another one.
That was lucky, because then we would have had to drive like 8 miles.
So I'm going to make me a little coffee. I think we're going to make the coffee first with the boiling water.
Just to double check.
We've got these little Nescafe lattes.
They're quite good.
In the sachet. Yeah, do the honours, Ali. Open it up, pour it in.
Dip it in there.
No, in here. Goes in the cup.
Oh, look at that little doggy over
Hey. Right, pour him in
there.
then.
Just ripped it off.
There we go.
Boom.
Right, bit of sugar. 1, 2.
There we go, look at that.
Beautiful. Right, and you see here the water's boiling lovely. So I'm going to put it over there so I don't burn myself.
Yeah, because it's hot.
I'm just going to pour it in. There we go.
Beautiful. That hot,
Right,
is it?
stir him up then, Hardy. Yeah, I'll do it because you've got to get right down to the bottom. Stir him up, look at that, lovely.
You better use a fork with it.
No, that's alright. Oh yeah, that'll do me, mate. Nice hot coffee. Right, pour a bit more water in there then, Ali.
You can get these on the go.
No, pour a bit more water in there.
In the actual coffee?
No. In the saucepan.
Tell me when.
Leave a bit for the dog.
Tell me when.
Stop. That's it. Right, now we'll wait for that to come back to the boil again. Then we'll put the pasta in and we can drink our coffee while we're waiting, I reckon.
You mean your coffee?
Yeah.
Because I forgot the cup. Try them up.
Go on then, chuck it in. It's not quite boiling
But
yet.
by the time we open
By the time he's opened that and put it in, you've got to put them in separate or else they'll all stick together.
Will they? Or like one at a time?
Well, an handful at a time.
Should I just do like half of it? And then... Why is there a bird on there?
I don't know. The bird's just come up onto my boat.
Alright, it's going in.
Alright, go on then, chuck it in.
Whoa.
Try not to make it a splash because you burn yourself.
Yeah.
Open the packet properly.
No, because it all goes in there evenly then. Can't get it. There you go. Turn it up a bit.
There we go, I've turned it down a
I
bit.
think it's gone off.
Has it gone off?
Yes.
That's it, it's back on.
There,
Turn it to there, that'll do. Stop,
there,
stop,
yeah.
that'll do.
Should I stir?
There we go, give it a little stir up.
That feels really soft already.
Yeah, it don't
It's been
take
about
a
1
couple of
minute.
minutes. I think about 3 or 4 minutes it takes.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, it won't be ready yet. It hasn't been in there long enough.
Nowhere near. A nice little sib boat over there.
Right, couple more minutes and we'll get it out. Right, stir up. I reckon that is ready.
Looks pretty good, to be honest.
I reckon that's done, mate. Right, let's take him, turn the heat off.
It's meant to be one of the hottest days of the years, but it doesn't feel like it, does it?
Oh, not cold. That's the main thing.
Oh yeah.
Well, I brought a lid, and the reason I brought the lid is so that I can tip out your water.
Don't get on the
losing
boat.
the pasta in the river.
Oh no! I've just felt a bit of rain.
Oh well, let's eat this and get cracking then.
Yeah, it's definitely starting to rain, isn't it, Dad?
Yep. Let's eat this and go.
Oh my
Watch
arm.
your leg. Don't want to burn ya.
Ooh. Yeah, look. I don't know if you can see that on the river. Looks quite nice.
There we go.
There's mine. There's Dad's. There's the cooker that we used. Yeah, hear that? When it
Yeah.
went on, it went.
There you go then, I'll eat it.
Thanks. Right, let's skim. Oh no. Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
Ah, hot.
It's actually started raining now.
A lot. Look, from the river.
You might see the water spots. We're actually sat here in the rain, eating our pasta.
And then we're gonna get going.
We'll have to pack the boat away wet
Still
now.
gotta drive back. At least I might clean the mud off a little bit.
Hopefully. Right. I'm going to turn it off, finish eating this, and we got to get ready and move back to the slipway
Yeah.
to get the boat out. It's raining a bit heavier now.
Oh, hot. Come
Looks like the dog's enjoying the pasta as well.
She's got my leftovers. Oh, get it. Quick. There you go. Is that good? I think she really likes
I've
that.
never seen her eat pasta before.
Might be because it's got like ham and
Yeah, there's ham and
stuff
cheese in
in
it,
the
that's
middle,
why, yeah. She just likes the bit in the middle, but she's eating it all.
yeah. She'll probably like
Look
that.
how she's perched herself on the
my
carrier
eye.
bag. If there's a blanket or something soft, anything soft that she hasn't got to sit on the hard floor, she takes the option and steals whatever it is. And today, it's a shopping bag.
She tried to sit on my life jacket a minute ago.
Kimmy, go on, eat it.
Look.
Quick.
That might be a bit too big.
Oh, yeah, she likes that.
No. Should I break it in half?
Yeah.
There you go.
She's just making a mess of it.
See, look, she took the ham and
See, most
cheese
dogs would just see that bowl of food
and
they just scoff the whole lot in about 2 seconds.
That's what my dog does.
Your dog do, don't
I have
he?
a little pug. He's mad for food. He's just always begging. And he literally, he doesn't even chew. And if it was that, like one whole piece of that, he wouldn't even chew it. Just swallow it.
Swallow it whole?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know he does. Well, she's enjoying that.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Doing that bit.
Right, if I just turn you around, there's a dirty looking cloud over there. I don't know if that's coming our way or going the other way. There's quite a lot of cloud come over now, to be fair.
It was lovely a minute ago.
Yeah, it was pure blue skies when we got in the water. It was boiling. I couldn't bear it on my skin. It was that hot.
You were sweating when you were
Anyway, now it's cooled down a little bit, and it is actually spitting now, bit raining. So we're going to start heading back to the slipway to get the boat out. Right, Ali has gone on and on for the last 10 minutes while we've been packing the stuff away. He wants to start the engine, so let's see if he can do it.
Luckily it's not.
Go on then, away you go.
Is it in gear?
No. Oh, he's done it! 4th pull. Not bad, not
You
bad.
said I wouldn't be able to do it.
I didn't think you would.
Now I think I can drive it around.
Right, put the old kill cord on then.
Let's see.
That's alright, that ain't going anywhere. Kill cord on. Right, so you need to put it in reverse that way to get us out of here. Like, slowly, don't rev it up, you just let it glide out. Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up.
Can I like do a full 360?
Put it in forward. There we go. Right, hang on, I'll get myself sorted out. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me get myself sorted out.
Sailor.
Dog's down there, look, sat at the bow. The bow rider dog. The bow wow rider dog. Yeah, I'll put that bag there.
Go on then.
I'm gonna get my leg over.
Didn't look 360 we are.
Right, go on then, back to the slipway, that way.
James Bond? Yeah?
James Bond.
Can I?
Little bit. Whoa, that dude, there's a pub here.
Oh yeah! I forgot about that.
You'll get us in trouble. I don't want to get a fine for speeding on here. It'll take us back in now. Show them the slipway. This is where we're getting out. Show you the slipway first. This is where we're getting out. Right, I'm going to go round, straighten up. Coming nice and steady. Don't want to hit that engine on the bottom. Paranoid.
Yeah.
Film that one.
Oh, we've just hit this pole.
Hold on, we'll try that again.
2 poles where you're meant to go for. But I'll get a walk.
Right, let's try it again, eh?
Right. What do you make that pole now? Yep, told ya.
There we go, we're in. Right, let me just lift that engine out. Can you grab the side, Harley, if I go over?
Try.
Go on then. Ready? I'm going to push this over there. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Grab it. Don't let it go. That's it. Pull us along.
Oh, I can't. It's my bad arm.
Grab the other arm then.
Whoa!
Put us in.
Oh,
Well, stop there. Got to lift the engine up. Right, we're back home. We've got all the stuff in the back of the truck. I'm just dropping Harley home now. Did you have a good day?
Yeah. Thanks for taking me.
Unfortunately, I ended up dropping the engine and I've put a couple of scratches on it. I'm gutted. But yeah, that's it for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you get updates on future videos. If you like this sort of thing, then if you press the bell, you'll get notified when the videos come up. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time you come along for a ride. Bye, Kabudgie. Take care.
Take care.